Have you ever wondered what would happen if one day you turned on your faucet and nothing came out? No water for a drink, no water for a shower, no water for your children. Imagine that moment when something we all take for granted vanishes overnight. This isn't just a nightmare. For tens of thousands of families, it's already reality. Droughts are hitting harder and more often. Cities are running dry. Water bills are skyrocketing, if you can even get water at all. But it goes beyond inconvenience. It's about survival. Just a couple of years ago, a friend of mine, Richard, a third-generation farmer from California, faced the unimaginable. His entire community withered under 4 relentless years of drought. The government cut them off from fresh water. His own family's well literally ran dry. One night, driven by absolute desperation, his own uncle tried to steal their remaining emergency water supply. Family turned against family, all for a few gallons of water. Let that sink in. Host leans in, voice lower, almost whispering. We are on the edge of a global water crisis, the likes of which we've never seen. Experts call water the petroleum of the 21st century. The situation is so dire. NASA and top universities warn that the megadrought has only just begun. But what if I told you? Richard refused to accept defeat. Instead, he found a way to give his family, and now thousands of others, a chance to break free from dependency, to survive and thrive no matter how bad things get. How? By creating their own endless source of pure, clean water. Right at home. Not a bulky, overpriced gadget from some greedy corporation. Not dangerous DIY experiments. He's put together a simple step-by-step system anyone can follow. Using ordinary tools and materials, you can have gallons of fresh water. Every single day, independently, cheaply, safely. Even if disaster strikes, your family will never go thirsty again. No more fear. No more depending on the government, and no more spending a fortune on bottled water. Richard has bundled everything, blueprints, materials list, and video guides, into an exclusive digital package called the Aqua Tower System. You don't need to be an engineer. You don't need special tools. Just follow the steps, and in less than an afternoon, you can have your own home oasis. Don't wait for the next crisis. Don't leave your family's future to chance. Click the link in the description, or hit the link I've pinned as the top comment below this video. Join the thousands of families who have already chosen water. Independence and peace of mind with the Aqua Tower System. Secure your copy right now, and never fear the tap running dry again.